Most people looking for homes in Naples skip right past this neighborhood, and it could cost them their dream home. Let me show you why Saturnia Lakes might just be the best kept secret in North Naples real estate. Saturnia Lakes is located off Immokalee Road, just a few minutes east of Interstate 75 in North Naples. And this location is fantastic. You are 30 minutes from just about anything. RSW International Airport, Wiggins Pass Beach, 5th Avenue in Naples, and you're just minutes away to top-rated schools. In fact, you can walk to Gulf Coast High School. You've got shopping, golf, and everything that makes Naples one of the most desirable places to live in Florida. And that's a fact. You can Google it and everyone will talk about it, that Naples is the #1 place. The community entrance makes a statement. Waterfalls, royal palms, a gatehouse. It sets the tone for the lifestyle inside. Saturnia Lakes is known for its incredible amenities, a 12,000 square foot clubhouse with resort, junior Olympic pool, wading pool, spa, fitness center, sauna, ballroom, arts and crafts centers, everything you might need, plus sports court. All right, and for those of you who are active, you've got your sports facility here. 4 Hartrue tennis courts with lights. They do have bathrooms and undercover shaded area. You can sit down, got some picnic tables, swings, tot lot. There is a basketball court that also can be used to play pickleball. So no official pickleball courts here, but people are still figuring it out. And you'll notice all the trees and all the shade. There are lots of walking trails throughout this neighborhood. And Saturnia Lakes is also very pet friendly. It's always a good sign when they've got little doggy do stations with bags. Again, lots of walking trails. You can even come up here and you can work on your short game. What so many people love about living in this community is the amenities, including the pools. They've got 3 different pools here and a spa. So they've got a resort style pool. They have a junior Olympic size lap pool and a kiddie pool. You can see tons of undercover space, lots of shade for the chairs. And there's even a little beach here overlooking the beautiful water view here of the front amenities campus. There are 580 front doors in Saturnia Lakes, and this community was finished back in the mid-2000s. Kind of feels funny to say that, but here you're getting a look at some of the size variety, some of the larger homes back here on this cul-de-sac. There are sidewalks on both sides of the street, making this home very pet-friendly, kid-friendly, family-friendly, walking-friendly. So you can see they also have planted a lot of trees here on this street, which is going to be lovely. Continuous improvements happening within the community. And it is garbage day. You know, we love to do videos on garbage day to show you how efficient our waste management system is here in Southwest Florida. Many of the homes here feature open floor plans, high ceilings, private outdoor spaces. A lot of them have private pools or room for private pools. So it's easy to see why families, retirees, snowbirds alike are drawn to this, a beautiful community here in North Naples. And what really sets it apart is the lifestyle. It's not just about the beautiful homes, it's about the community. Residents here love the calendar of social events. There is a social director on site. It's got a neighborly feel, and it makes it really easy to have connection with your neighbors. One of the greatest features of this community is the resident entrance and exit onto Logan Boulevard. Let me tell you, that is an absolute game changer since they installed that Logan Boulevard pass. You are just a couple minutes from Logan Landings, but more importantly, that allows you to bypass Immokalee Road. When you leave this community, it is a right turn only. Immokalee is definitely one of our busier streets and locations, so that resident gate to Logan is game changer. And just a short little walk or an even quicker drive from Saturnia Lakes is this amazing newer commercial complex by GL called Logan Landings. It's got a Sprouts farmers market in here, grocery store, Thai udon cafe is amazing, Felipe's, Great place to have breakfast or lunch with the First Watch Cafe and one of my favorite artisan pizza places. And they also have a super fun beer wall, is Oaken Stone. So again, this is completely convenient to Saturnia Lakes. It is just around the corner. I mean, how fun is this place? Candela Tacos and Tequila. Just a few minutes down the road off of Immokalee, close to 75, not far. And this is a great restaurant. You can see they got margarita machines, they got the music playing. Definitely want to come check this out. And one other option here is Jeremiah's. Have you had it? You're about to see what it's all about. Italian ice and ice cream, Jeremiah's. Live life to the coolest. All right, I'm about to try my cherry and orange smash. I went all Italian ice. I didn't add in any ice cream or other mix-ins, but there are all kinds of options here at Jeremiah's. Let's see how I did. Oh, that's delightful. Whether you're a young family looking for great schools, a snowbird wanting seasonal ease, or a retiree ready for year-round resort living, Saturnia Lakes fits the bill. It's low maintenance, it's gated, and it's beautifully kept. If you're shopping for a home in North Naples and you want space, amenities, and an unbeatable location, Saturnia Lakes should be on your radar. As Anthony Yiman says, if it wasn't for the sun, it wouldn't be so hot. You can always contact us at 239-776-6872. We want to help you live joy in Southwest Florida.